In Python, strings are immutable, so characters in a string cannot be deleted directly. If you try to delete a character using the del keyword, it will generate an error. For example, trying to delete the character at index 2 displays a type error. You can create a new string by removing the unwanted characters. Here are a few ways to delete characters from a string. Using string slicing, we can remove the characters we want to delete from the original string and create a new string. This is the syntax for basic slicing. Start, index where the slicing begins. Default is 0 means start slice at the first character of the string. It is inclusive meaning the character at that index is included in the slice. Stop, index where the slice ends. Default is length of string means slice till end of the string. It is exclusive meaning the character at that index is not included in the slice. Step, interval between characters. Default is 1 means every character is included in the slice. Let's see how to delete the character at index n. First, slice the string from the first character up to the character we want to delete. You can omit the start index or use 0. Stop index is n. This gets the substring before the character at n. To get the substring after the character at index n, use start index as n+1. You can omit the stop index or use length of the string. This gets the substring after the character at index n. Concatenating both removes the character at index n. For example, delete the character a at index 3. The first slice gets the substring before a and second slice gets the substring after a. Now concatenate the slices. The modified string is assigned to S1 and printed. A is deleted from S1. You can also delete a substring using this method. To delete the substring, start at start index and ending at end index, use this syntax. First, slice the string from the first character up to the start index. Then concatenate the substring after the last index. Concatenating both deletes the substring. For example, let's delete hi from string s2, which starts at index 4 and ends at index 7. Slice before the substring and concatenate with the slice after the substring. The string hi is deleted from string s2. We can delete characters at a specific index in a string using a list. First, convert the string to a list. Delete characters and then convert the list back to the string. Let's take the earlier example and see how to delete a from string s1 at index 3 using list. Use the list function to convert the string into a list of characters. Strings and lists are both sequences, so they use the same indexing rules. Both indexes start at 0, so index of characters in the string and list are the same. As lists are mutable in nature, we can delete a character using the index. You can delete a list element by index using the del statement. Delete a at index 3. The modified list shows a is deleted and the elements after a are shifted to the left. Convert the list back to string using the join method. This is the syntax. The string you call it on is used as a separator between the elements. Use empty string as a separator to join all characters in a list into one string. This creates a new string and this is reassigned to S1. A is deleted from the string S1. You can also delete a substring from a string using a list. For example, let's delete hi from string S1, which starts at index 4 and ends at index 7. You can delete multiple elements from a list at once using del statement. This is the syntax to delete a range of elements from a list using del statement. Start index, the index where deletion begins. It is inclusive, meaning element at that index is deleted. End index, the index where deletion ends. It is exclusive, meaning element at that index is not deleted. This removes all elements from start index up to but not including end index. To delete high from list s2 underscore list, which starts at index 4 and ends at index 7, use start index as 4 and end index as 8. Convert the list to string and you can see that high is deleted from the string. Delete entire string. You can delete the entire string using the del keyword. Del does not delete the contents of the string because it's immutable. Del removes the reference to the string object hello world by deleting the variable s2. After deletion, using s2 will display a name error since s2 no longer exists. Reassign an empty string. To keep the string variable but delete the contents, reassign it to an empty string. For example, reassign empty string to s1, then print it. Empty string is printed. No error is displayed. To download practice Python file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.